I'm Jackson Burnett with Vapor Apparel. Today I'm going to show you guys how to press a Vapor Apparel solar garment using the Vapor Apparel foam kit. So the first thing we're going to do is talk about all the materials you need to press a perfect retail ready Vapor Apparel garment. So we start with a Vapor foam kit, which has the Teflon sheet, 13.2 square feet of foam. You will have to have some heat tape, scissors, and a Vapor Apparel solar garment. So the first thing you need to do is make sure that your foam is sized right for your print. As you can see, it is bigger than the paper. You're fine on the edges. The top is too big because you want the paper to lay off of the foam. You actually cut the foam. So now, as you can see, the foam is bigger than the print and smaller than the edges of the paper. The next step with the foam is it's very important to bevel the edges. And this just creates less pinch points where you can get print defect. So the next step is loading the foam onto the press. So as you can see, I've already got the Teflon sheet here. I now take the foam that has been cut to the proper size. I place it under the Teflon sheet. I then get heat tape and we use that to secure the foam and the Teflon so it doesn't slide during production. So the next step is to calibrate your press. The time and temperature needed to press a back press is 380 degrees for 32 seconds. To do other sizes, time and temperature varies and can be found on our website. The next step is adjusting the pressure of the press. As the press was set up with too much pressure, I now turn the knob to decrease the pressure. As you can see, now the platen is just laying on top of the press. So now the fun part, we're gonna press a shirt. I've got a Vapor Apparel Eco Sole that is made of recycled water bottles. The first thing you do is we take the shirt, we hold it by the bottom seam is what we recommend. We slide it onto the press. And this is a size large. For size large, we recommend 3.5 inches. For me, that's these three just under the hem. And then we take the press or the print and we lay that on the shirt. We also check the sides to make sure that the shirt is centered onto the platen. That will keep your print centered onto the garment in the right location. You hold down to make sure the paper does not slide. And once the press is in place, you let it cook. So at the end of the dwell time, the press will beep. You then take the paper, you peel it off. This is your printed garment. It's very important to hold the shirt up, check for press lines, contamination, and this shirt is a retail ready garment.